My name is Mitchell Proner. If you're looking for information after a motorcycle accident, you've come to the right place. Not only am I a rider, I'm also a past motorcycle accident victim, having broken my wrist, my ankle, and 7 bones in my back in a motorcycle accident, and putting on 120,000 miles on my motorcycle subsequent to that accident. I've also lectured to attorney groups across the United States and Canada on how to handle a motorcycle accident case. I've negotiated, mediated, arbitrated, and tried more motorcycle accident cases than perhaps any other attorney in the country. You're wondering how to pay the bills, how to be compensated for your loss of earnings. What's your case worth? Contact me. Not only am I a rider, I'm a passionate motorcycle rights advocate. I'll be there for you and your family. Call me now.